Welcome back to another video, guys. What the heck? Oh, them barn swallows, I tell you. I'm about to give them a quick one too, if you know what I mean. Anyways, guys, welcome back to another video. This is part 2 of the first one, so you might want to go check that one out. But before I actually started the video, I just wanted to ask you guys 2 things, which are 1, subscribe, and 2, tell me some tips so I know what you guys like and what I need to improve on. So, and let me show you what their chicks new coop. Look. They're really nice. You can like feed them with your hand and stuff. They got water and they got no food, so I probably should do that. We got tons of spilled food right here. So, well, guys, without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, guys, it is a new day. I didn't film some of it. Oopsie doopsie. But you didn't miss a lot. Even though it looks like you missed a lot, you didn't miss a lot. Here it is. Literally, it's just these boards we put up. This board. And that board. And that board. We just put plywood on it. So, not much. Boarded up that, put that in there. So maybe you did submit a little bit, but that's okay. So now we just gotta put the door on it. And so that's the first thing we're gonna be doing. And this is what I don't know what the door will look like. Let me go get the door first. Alright, so I'll show the door later, but I'll show you the hinges. We haven't actually put the hinges on the door yet, so that's what I'll show you here first. Sit on the old bass boat. Prop you up on something. Probably should do that. Here's the stuff comes in. Trust me, we'll be using this bass boat a lot. But these are the hinges. They are steel and zinc plated. 6 inches. And these are 4 inches. Door that lets them out, I think. Here is barrel bolt. I always gotta put the door on the chickens, where they lay eggs. That's where we gotta put the door on. All I have to do now is just build the door for this. Okay. So 18.5 inches. 18.5 inches. Just regular on this side. That would be 49.25.
Side 18.5. Yeah.
18.5 would be right about.
That's 18.
And have it right there.
Okay.
And then
Go to the other side of the board. Hop up in the trailer, I guess.
49.
You can quiet all my voices, can't you?
Huh?
Can you quiet my voices?
No. But it's okay. They probably don't care.
They don't want to hear me. Nope, do 18.5 again.
Oh. Okay.
And then we'll run a chalk line.
Got it.
Hold it. Okay, let go.
Let's cut this.
This isn't a very good. Yeah. Good stuff.
Okay, so this is the thing that goes on it. This is the thing. This is the door. put up there and make sure my calculations are correct. All right, so here is the locks we put on it, the door, and they're kind of being a little frustrating, but here they are. That's how that works. What are we gonna do next?
We're gonna put a board across here, then we're gonna build this door that has a little door the chickens can come up a ladder and go in. I'm gonna make this so you can open it. And it'll open up here and latch. So you can get in and, you know, clean it out. And clean out, pull the stuff out and clean it.
So like there'll be a box or a door right here. And the chickens go ladder going up to it.
Yeah, probably from here. They'll walk up it and go in and be happy chickens.
And all this up here, the cupboard, except another big box. And you can pull it up, and you can latch it to this thing, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the plan. This is called no plan planning. That there drill.
I think I did a better job.
What are you up to?
Fixing it a little bit, and then
Hopefully that fits.
stay.
I'll see you guys when either my dad's finished or when Ty's finished. All right, this is the next day, and I don't know if you can hear that, but my dad's already working on it. And I'm kind of sick, so I missed some stuff, and I wasn't able to film it, and my brother wasn't able to film it because he was also sick. So I'm gonna get in here and show you guys what my dad's been doing. I don't know if I showed you this, but we put these on. Locks the door shut at nights so that nothing can get in that way. Look, we already got one chicken in here. Oh.
She's chicken, all right.
You put that up there, so lots happened. Currently working on some stairs. This slides to the right or to the left or whatever, and this door pops down, closing the chickens inside. But she's a good chicken.
Yeah.
Huh. Obviously, these are for they can walk up here.
In the winter time and in the summer months, when the raccoons and skunks are coming up here, this will be way harder for them to kill our animals now because they can't get to them.
Yeah.
Come on, girl. Show us that stuff. Come on.
Come on, you chicken. Nope, wrong
Here,
way.
Lily. Here. Come on.
There you go. They ain't not that
Come
hard.
here. Good girl. Come here. Up. Up.
Come on.
Up.
Come on,
Good girl. Come on. Come on. Up. Come on. Come get it. You want a treat? You gotta get it. It's up here. Come on. Come on. Go up. She's kind of scared of everything. Go on. Go. Good girl. Up. Go on.
Come on.
Go get it. Come on. Come on.
Up, up. Come on. Come on. Come on. You really are a chicken, huh? Come on. There you go. Okay, go. No, don't look at me. Get in there. There you go.
Yeah, we'll do that with the chickens a few times. Okay, come on, Lily. All right. Let's go get the chickens.
All right, guys. It's time to get the chickens. All right, here they are. Well, anyways, guys, tell you what, if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, because I know I'll need to keep doing more of these videos. Thanks for watching.